delete all extra detail from this dress, powder room, also doors. We will cover the only bedroom part. This one match. Delete all extra lines, windows, and also remove all dimensions in interior. So first we will detail the bedroom area with every single details, and we will mention the all detail of the interior part in lines. So now we have a complete particular area of the master bedroom, and first we will start with the columns. Column design also we have discussed in architecture part, and the column positioning is important to measuring in the architecture and in interior part also. So this one is column. So also we will use the grid lines here. So there is no need to remove the grid lines and positioning also. It's very important to mention the FD or details in interior part also. So we will use the grid lines also in interior part. So this one is column horizontal and vertical. Maintain the spacing of the grid lines according to your project like this. And also we will use the tag positioning of the column that is represented of the column like this one is 0 1 and this one is 0 2. Also we will use in the horizontal directions in grid lines like this one is A directions, column number A, and this one is column number B. Okay. Step number one, we start with the plan and columns and also grid lines. Okay. So now we have a door tag and also we have a window tag here. So we will change the name like this one is W1. In interior part, it's important to change the font of all text. We will use the light condensed fonts option. Not a compulsory that we should use this kind of font, but as per details is important. This one is D3. Also, we will use the tag here also. We also this one is D3. We will use the same font tag, and this one is W1. So we will use the same tag and font here, and this one is DW2. Decrease the size, copy and paste. Door window 2 size. Same process that we have followed in the architecture part. Also change the font of the area. Like this one is master bedroom. We will use the same font here also. Light condensed. Okay. Now the next point is mention the dimension of the outer part. The total size of the area. Like the bedroom, the total size is 13 feet and 15 feet. Also, we will show the center to center dimensions. This one. Same process. This one. Next point. That one is very important, furniture design. Also, we have discussed in the architecture part when we start the plan and how to place the furniture in the floor plan also. Same process we will repeat here. So first we will design the all furnitures on the basis of standard dimension. Then after that we will make a blocks of all that, and after converting in block, then we will use in the floor plan. So this one is our important detail. So call out details mostly we use on the floor plan. Sorry, we use on the furniture part. Like this one is wardrobe. So we will mention the wardrobe details in a separate sheet. We will design the wardrobe plan, elevation and section also. So when we will work on the detail part of the wardrobe, then we will use the call out symbol on this part. So draw a rectangle and make a curve, then use dotted line on this part and use call out, call out head. This one is called call out head, like this. So this is the method for placing the call out in furniture items. So we should mention the all call out to all call out on every furniture item. No. So right now the wardrobe, the TV unit part is important for our details. So we will use call out only on wardrobe and TV unit, not on the bedside tables and also in bed. Match and use the call out details here. Decrease the size and joints. So this one is color. One more details also is important in interior part. Which one is called section symbol. Also we have placed a section symbol in floor plan. Same process in interior part also. We will use the same. This one is section symbol that we will use in interior part also. Every detail also is important in interior part. Section symbol, interior symbols, call out details, like this, right? So we can see in the in this part, like there are different types of tag that we have placed on furnitures items. Like this one is W1 and PT. So these are called the finish tag. So also it is important that we should use in interior part. Yes, finish tag mostly you used in the architecture and also in the interior part. It represents the materials informations of in interior part. WD means wood 01. WD is representing the type of the object. Like this object has finished with the wooden material. PT means it's representing the paint. PT means like this wall has finished with the paint. But the detail of the paint and the wardrobe, like wooden detail, we will mention in material table. Right. So also we will use the different types of tags in interior floor plans also. How? This one is WD. So based on tag on the object. WD01. So this wall will finish with paint. So use the paint tag on every wall. Like if we are going to use a three different paint on wall, then we will represent with the PT01, PT02, and PT03, like this one. Same material, same tag. Different material, we will change the tag informations like 02. Also on this wall, like this. Wooden, we will use the on wardrobe part, like wardrobe has finished with wooden. So material details is very important. It may be a bed, side table, wardrobe, TV unit, any of. Our that is enough. The code is enough. On the basis of this code, on the basis of this code, our site engineer will get the complete details in this code. Like he can see the material name. Also, he will see the size of the materials and other information he will get from the catalogs also. So we can use the reference image in flooring layout also. If you want to mention the flooring details, then we will use the catalogs and we will crop the image from the catalogs of the material. Like let's say the example, like in flooring. So we can use the 800 into 1600 floor tile. So now we have the complete detail of the floor tiles. Like this kind of details we can use on our flooring. So for the drafting point of view, we can do one thing. We will use the snipping tool. We will crop the specific area of the material. Just save on the desktop location. Now insert raster, raster image reference. Now choose the image and place on the code here like this. So now we have the complete detail of the flooring also. Simple. This is the process that we can use on our flooring layout. Parts clear? Uh, Every detail of the flooring we choose from the catalogs. Simple. We mention the all detail of the flooring, your wall finishes from the catalogs, and we represent the material details like this. So according to the details, every site engineers can see the like the material is named Arabian black and thickness is 9 finish high glossy. So easily he can purchase like this material from the market on the basis of the details also. Simple. Not clear? So this is for only those furniture items like wardrobes. No, you just You just do standard dimension and labeling. Yes. What details you check? Yeah, right. Also use the call out details. Okay. Hmm. So for your working, I share you these drawings. You can use this kind of symbols in your drawings also. I share your complete details of this part. So you can use the call out details. Hmm. Can you also check interior details DWG? Okay, I will share you DWG file of this interior part. Okay, okay. Start working on this part. Then I will.